Hi guys, I was gifted these wireless taillights from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. Um, let's open the box and take a look what we got inside. Comes in a nice carrying case so when you're not using it you can store it safely. It has the trailer plug here. You just plug that into the back of your vehicle. And then these are the wireless lights. They're magnetic, so you can just stick them on the back of your trailer or whatever you're trying to do. They have an R on there for right, L for left, obviously. It comes with a little cigarette lighter that you can charge these up with. I went ahead and charged them up in the house, so I didn't need to use the cigarette lighter, but they look cool. I'll just go take them outside. I'll hook it up to my truck and show you how they operate. Okay guys, this is how easy it is. So you just open up your plug here. You put in the wireless unit here. Gotta push it in there real snug. All right, as you can see, I have my hazard lights on. All right, so I got it right here on the back of my trailer here. And I got this other side here. So they're gonna operate like normal, taillights and turn signals and so, but they're magnetic, so you can put them to anything that you're towing that you need taillights for. They're pretty cool. All right, so I hope you liked my little demo. These are great for if you got a trailer where the wiring isn't good and you don't want to spend the money to rewire your trailer. You can use these wireless setup, or if you're like towing a vehicle or something, this will definitely come in handy. So if you guys need a wireless trailer lights, go ahead and get this. It's going to work out great. Thanks.